Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp data on iPhone. Deleting WhatsApp data can help you free up space on your device and keep your app running smoothly. So let's get started on how to delete WhatsApp data on iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the chat settings. Scroll down and tap on the clear all chats option. Now you will be asked to enter the mobile number linked with your WhatsApp account for confirmation. Enter your mobile number. Finally, tap on the clear all chats again to confirm and delete your WhatsApp data. And this is how you can delete WhatsApp data on iPhone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.